Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making two Deadpool shirts, one in a medium and one in an extra large. So I thought I would quickly show you how I go about sizing and figuring out how big I want to go on a shirt. So once you have your design the way you like it, make sure that you've pulled up your template. So I've got the template there. Right now it's showing as a men's short sleeve medium, color white. This is actually going to be on black, so let's change it to black. And our Deadpool logo, we've got at about 8 inches wide. If you look online, you'll see that standard is about 10 inches or so for an adult shirt. Obviously, not every shirt is going to be like that. It depends on what your design is, and also how you feel about it. So if I moved this design to 10 inches, or close to 10 inches, I think it's almost looking too big. So I'm going to keep this at 8 inches, or as close to as possible. So that's just over 8 inches there. And I like the sizing of that. So I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to, if you go down to the bottom right, it says classic t-shirts. When you click on that, that's when you can go back to the section to change things for the shirt. So I'm going to make the shirt extra large. Switched it to white. Let's switch it back to black. And now it looks like it's a little too small. So because I've already duplicated it, I've got my first design ready for the smaller shirt. So let's make this 9 inches and see what we think there. That's okay. We'll try 10 inches. Little big, so I'm going to go back to just over 9 inches. There we go. So now I've got my two designs. You can see they're a little bit different in size, but I'm going to get them cut out and let's get them on two t-shirts. So I've got everything cut out. You can see this is a really simple design, and really you don't need the black layer if you don't want to, because I'm using a black shirt. I could have gone that way, but I decided no, we'll do everything with the HTV. So let's move that off to the side. It is all Cricut brand iron-on, so I shouldn't be calling it HTV. Just doing my preheat up here. So because this is a circle, you really want to find the center. So I'm working on the medium shirt first. So I'm going to do a crease for the center. Again, everyone does it different, whatever works best for you. Get any creases out of there. And you only have to do it for a couple seconds. And then you just get a nice line in your shirt, and it should help with placement. If you've watched other videos, you know that I've got these guys here. So they're to help line everything up. It gives me the good almost 4 inches, well, maybe about 3 inches down. And that's usually the rule of thumb, 3 inches, 3 fingers, depending on the width of your fingers. I like 3 inches. And let's get this lined up with my crease. I don't go by the label because the label isn't necessarily in the center. So, okay. So again, a trick to finding the center is lining it up. pinching the corners. Want that to come up a little bit. There we go. So with iron on, you tack down for 1 to 3 seconds each layer. I find that you usually have to give an extra second or two. Go. Pull layer number 1 up. Okay. Let's see how this is looking. I'd say that one's pretty good. I remembered my other piece. That's just so all the iron-on is protected. Doing another press down for a couple seconds. Put your weight behind it. It's a warm. Get that one off first. Okay, now for his eyes. Again, this is such an easy design, it's almost impossible to mess it up. Let's get the big circle on. So one trick I'm going to do, and this hopefully will get rid of the lines from the white backing, is I'm only going to tack this one down for 3 seconds. Or the 5 seconds. That just seems to work better for me. Again, it's kind of a, you got to figure out what's going to work best for you. I messed up a little bit there. Okay, now I'll do my 15-second press. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix that. That's okay. This is a shirt I'm making for my brother. Obviously, Deadpool is a trademarked image, so you can't make money off of it. Okay. Yeah, it's unfortunate that the white lifted up there. Kind of got a weird bubbliness happening. But let's press the back. Again, I use the parchment just so any dust or anything on my easy press doesn't heat onto the shirt. And it helps you remember to use it every time. Here we go. Oops, knocking stuff over. Okay. So when you're dealing with iron on an HTV, hopefully this is going to pick up on the camera. It's quite warm, but you can see that there's a 3D definition on the red. That's showing that it's adhered to the shirt. We don't see it on the black and the white because it's adhered to the red and the black. So that's what you're looking for. Whenever you maybe read people say, oh, you need the texture, you need to see the texture. That's what it is. So I really hope that's being picked up. But let's get the bigger shirt done. As I said, that was the medium, and that needs to cool off. I did sticky roll both shirts. Okay. So yeah, you can see there's a big difference size-wise between medium and large. Get the moisture out. Yeah, you never want to forget doing the preheat, because that can save you from having a craft fail. Some people, I know you sometimes forget, and the main reason to do it, other than to get the wrinkles out, is to actually get any excess moisture out of the shirt. You want it dry when you're applying HTV and iron-on vinyl. So there we go, 2 Deadpool shirts. So you can see the size difference on them, but they both look good for their respective sizes. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.